In case you are experiencing any joint, muscles, tendons, limb or shoulder pain, we got you. You may have tried numerous different treatments, but if none of them worked, this is the cure for you. According to experts, these pains can come as a result of irregular posture, to exceeded physical activity or an injury. The secret in this recipe lies in the gelatin. You will need 150 grams of it, to make your troubles go away. Mix 2 tablespoons of gelatin in 1/4 cup of cold water and refrigerate it. Once it becomes jellified, you can consume it. Instead of water, you can also use milk, yogurt or tea. Take this combination for 1 month, and then pause for 6 months. After the pause, you can start reconsuming it. First results come within a week. Since it is natural and beyond healthy, gelatin works better than other medications and painkillers. It is packed with peptides and proteins that represent mighty amino acids. They encourage growth and strengthen the tissues. Gelatin will enable you to restore lost elasticity, strengthen the ligaments and tendons, and improves the hair and skin structure. Other than that, it evens out the complexion and boosts the immune system.